Xlear Banana Brush and Tooth Gel with Xylitol Kit by Spry is one of the best sellers among baby toothbrushes products. Banana design training toothbrush that's 100% medical grade silicone. Soft and flexible bristles and handle reduce risk of mouth injury to child. Toothbrush is dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and free of noxious elements. Spry Training Tooth Gel is made with all natural xylitol. Safe to swallow and fluoride-free, made in USA. Spry Baby Banana Brush with Tooth Gel. Make it easy for your child to brush teeth while cleaning with all natural xylitol. The baby brush is made with a soft, flexible, medical-grade silicone that makes brushing safe and fun. Comes with fluoride-free, xylitol-sweetened banana strawberry tooth gel. The Baby Banana Flexible Training Toothbrush from Live Right is paired with Spry Training Tooth Gel with all-natural xylitol from Xlear, Incorporated. Toothbrush is 100% silicone, meets all CPSIA testing standards. Its safer design with bendable handle is patented and dishwasher safe. Spry Tooth Gel is safe to swallow, fluoride-free, great-tasting banana berry flavor, all natural ingredients. Gel offers the clinically proven benefits of xylitol to provide tooth-strengthening calcium and protect and strengthen developing teeth. Both products are dentist and dental hygienist recommended. 12 months and above.